Alright, 6 free games. Oh, gem. Gem. Oh, yay!
Well, I hope you win a lot of money now.
I hope so too.
It's so cool. Oh, symbols.
There we go.
Oh boy, another gem.
Oh, good.
Oh wow, another one.
Yay, one more. Diamond. Diamond. Yes.
I just love that we're sharing this moment together. 3 extra spins.
All right, 3 more. No. Okay, good. On the last one.
Oh wow.
2 more. Yeah, perfect.
I got one. 2 extra spins.
No, don't do that. Come on, something. Oh. Okay, 3 to get 3. Oh, what is this? There we go. Perfect. Yay, full screen. All right, drop something good. Something. Okay. Big, make it big. Something with the word. Word. Ah, $1. All right. We still got more spins.
That's a lot of coins. So we should be friends.
Okay, still got 4 more free spins. Do it again, but do the red one. Ooh. I'll take the jackpot too, Vic. Come on, give me another diamond pop. Oh! What's he gonna do? What is it? Oh, red. Red. It's gotta be something. Blue again? Okay.
I already know what
Oh, and jackpot.
because I can see the future. I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Jackpot first.
Max, freeze.
Okay.
Oh, good day.
Ooh, I'll take that one.
Nice.
Ooh, major?
But you're good at this.
Minor. All right.
You won a minor jackpot.
$30.
Good.
That is pretty good. Yeah. Okay, and I got the blue. Wow.
Oh, symbols.
All right, let's do it again.
Oh boy, another gem.
Lots of gems. Okay,
Oh, these gems are the best.
3 more. Okay.
I can see my reflection in this one.
There we go. I'll take a gem every spin. That works. Need 1 more.
Another gem.
Where's the double gems? There they are.
Wow. 3 extra spins.
All right. Let's go. Another double gems. Ooh, that works too. Wow, Yeti.
I got one.
Ooh, double gem.
Yeah. Oh boy, another
Yeah.
gem. 2 extra spins.
All right, 2 more. Yes, perfect. That was good. Wow.
Just keep coming. We're unstoppable.
4 spins at full screen. Do something crazy. That's not crazy, Eddie. Come on. Big numbers, words. Okay, okay. Wow. This is an amazing bonus. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's make it good. Okay, that's alright. I'm not gonna complain. Wow. And I still have 2 free games left.
I love this game. I love everything.
Okay. Do it again. Red. Pop the red. Oh, that would have been awesome. Alright.
Good job.
That's amazing. 162 on a dollar bet. That's a great way to start. Alright. Dad got the free games. Here we go. Ooh, do you get that? Oh, I think so. He's doing something. What's... What did you get? Oh, I think you do. There you go.
That's $10.
But you just started. Now you get it again.
This is what free games do.
It's gonna drop. You're gonna keep getting it. That's good.
Yeah, that is it. Come on, come on. Oh, come on.
Oh, there you go. And again.
I may only get one more, but that's still good.
That's real good. One more coin. That's all right. That's a good start. That was the first spin, right?
Yeah.
Huge win. Okay. There he goes again. So he eats the chili.
Oh, I thought I was done with free spin. Oh, free of 8. Well, keep going.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Don't shut it down. Come on.
Oh, there we go. I think do you need 3?
Yeah, I guess it's 3.
Unless he gets enough chili.
Another set of free games would be good.
You still have 3 more.
Oh, come on now.
1 more. Do it. Oh, is he gonna? No, he didn't get. That's all right. That's not that bad.
No, that's good.
Yeah.
$100 or over in my.
All right.
I hope you're hungry. Here we go. Let's eat.
Oh, I forgot that button doesn't work. Oh, what? Where's the peppers? Okay. Oh, yay.
Order up.
That was a good one. More peppers. Ooh, ooh. That's real good. Wow.
Order up.
Okay. More. Oh, there we go. More peppers. Yay.
Order up.
Oh, one more. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, right there.
Order up. Order up.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Something. Anything. Pepper? Oh. That's good. Alright. Alright, free games. Ooh, which one? Oh, that's a good one. Is it? Okay. Wow. Let's see if they show up though. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Oh, doesn't help if they're on the end. Okay. There, that's better. Okay. Do a whole screen a while. Whole screen, come on. Okay, there we go. That's better. What's that gonna be? 9? Okay. Do that again. Oh, blocker. There, finally. Yeah. Goodness. What's that? 11? Okay. Okay, can't complain about that. Alright, got the flag bonus on Phoenix Link. Here we go. Please be good. Oh, come on. Oh. Let's get the bonus and a bonus. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Phoenix, no. Okay, ooh, triple mini. Oh no. What is this? Oh, 2 more games. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Let's do it. No. Oh. That's gotta be good. What is that? That's at least $5. What? Let's see. 11 for that spin? Okay. Not too bad then. Alright. Got a double pop.
Go ahead.
Lucky.
Collect as many trains as you can.
Oh, more than that. Down, up, down. Oh.
Hold on.
What? That's lame. Come on, big numbers. Lots of trains. Keep going. Keep going.
Next stop, your wallet.
Yeah. Not really.
Wow. Big win. Winning money is always fun.
$20? I don't know about that. Sure. Alright. Came into the high limit room to use my free play. And I'm doing pretty good. Let's see if we can get a minor or a mini. I'll take either. 75 works. 100 works. Okay, just need that mini or a minor. Okay, anything? Keep it going? Alright, that's alright. I'm not gonna complain. Just made back all my money. And then some. Wow. Okay, that's exciting. I literally put my $15 free play plus a $20 bill, and I'm leaving with almost $300. That's awesome. That'll work. Okay, triple pop. I've never even played this one. Oh my gosh, this is big. Okay. I don't know what I need to get. Oh, 3 to unlock. Okay. Uh-oh. Come on. Okay. 2. Does it reset my spins? Oh, I have 4 spins. What's that do? Does it suck them all in? Oh. Okay, one more. Oh, definitely need one more. Oh, look. Ooh. Come on, one more. Yay. Unlocked. Woohoo. Okay, keep going. I need 6 more. Oh, that's a good one. Is it going to suck the blue one? Oh, it does. Okay, 5 more. something. No, it's gotta do something else. Uh-oh. I need something here. Come on, anything. Any coin. Coin. Oh, what was that nonsense? Come on. Has a triple pop? What do we got? Okay. We're at 50? Alright. I guess that's better than I thought it was. Okay, not bad. Alright. Ooh, that's a good start. What is that? Her head's covering it. Okay. Oh. That would have been good. Come on, Queen Chew. Oh, alright. Alright. I'm not sure. Never played this game, but I think I got the double pop. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's jumping down. Doing something here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, that's 5 times. 5 times. Okay. He's doing a lot of stuff, but nothing's happened yet. Okay. Is that gonna pop? Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, that's good. Okay. I like that. Pop that one. No. No dead spins. What? Where's the multiplier? Okay. That's good. Oh, yay! Oh, a 10? Yeah, that works. Look at all the gold coins. That's a good one. And I still have a lot of games. Oh, there's a multiplier. Where were you on the last spin? Come on, leprechaun. Let's see the multiplier. Pop it. No? Why give me the